The eruption of Mount Vesuvius occurred on August 24, 79 AD. This eruption destroyed the ancient Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. When Vesuvius erupted, hot ash and gas covered the cities. The citizens of Pompeii had little time to evacuate, and the entire city was buried in an instant. People were going about their daily lives, and their remains were perfectly preserved. During the 18th century excavation, researchers used plaster to recreate the final moments of the people. This event remains a historical example of the devastating power of natural disasters. The eruption released thermal energy roughly 100,000 times that of the Hiroshima-Nagasaki bombings, further emphasizing its immense impact. Today, Pompeii serves as an open window into the past, providing invaluable insights into Roman life, architecture, and urban planning. The tragic fate of the citizens, caught in their final moments, also offers poignant reflections on the sudden and overwhelming power of nature.